Tesla's mission has always been to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. But to do that, electric vehicles have to be truly affordable. According to Elon Musk and top Tesla executives, the pace simply isn't where it needs to be. In their own words, the rate of improvement in affordability just isn't fast enough. That's why Battery Day was so important to create the best cars in the world. Tesla started designing vehicles and factories from the ground up, and now it's doing the same for batteries. This means redesigning every step from raw materials to the final battery pack. It's about scaling innovation and cutting costs to speed up the transition that led to the development of the 4680 cell, a battery promising more range, faster charging, and lower costs. But while the first generation was bold, Tesla's latest developments suggest something bigger is coming. From the Giga Nevada expansion to the lithium refinery in Texas, and massive upgrades in Tesla's in-house cell production, all signs point to the arrival of the next-gen battery, 4680 Gen 2. The 4680 Gen 2 is expected to be a game-changer. It could drastically cut costs, improve efficiency, and reduce reliance on hard-to-source materials like nickel and graphite. So what is 4680 Gen 2, and how close is it to becoming reality? Right now, battery costs are one of the biggest roadblocks to launching a truly affordable EV like the Tesla Model 2. Batteries currently cost $120 to $150 per kilowatt. But to hit that $25,000 price target, the cost needs to drop to around $60, $70. That's a 50% cut. The only way to get there is with a new battery approach, and Gen 2 could be that leap forward. Why hasn't the original 4680 lived up to the hype? While it introduced bigger energy density, faster charging, and a simplified structural design, early production hit major roadblocks. Yields were low, sometimes below 60%. That caused waste, heat issues, and scaling delays. Clearly, Gen 1 was ambitious, but imperfect. That's why Gen 2 is getting so much attention. Tesla seems to be refining the entire concept. Needs to, because Chinese companies like CATL and BYD are moving fast with sodium-ion batteries. These are cheaper to make and safer in extreme conditions. Some are even targeting $10,000 EVs by late 2025. So Tesla needs a next-gen answer, and Gen 2 might be it. The Gen 2 battery could bring in radical improvements. Smart electrode coatings with ultra-thin graphene layers, which improve conductivity and reduce heat.